You uploaded 200 pages of research and got a perfect summary in 90 seconds. That's NotebookLM, and it's free. Most people use it to summarize a PDF and quit. That's leaving 90% on the table. By the end of this, you'll turn documents into podcasts, custom study guides, and a research agent that only answers from your sources. Zero hallucinations. And the audio feature? It's the reason I stopped paying for 3 note-taking apps. Go to notebooklm.google.com, hit Create New, and drag in your first source. Here's what nobody tells you. It accepts Google Docs, PDFs, pasted text, a website URL, and this is the big one, a YouTube link. Paste any YouTube URL, and it pulls the full transcript automatically. So take a 45-minute video, drop the link in, then in the chat box type, "Give me the 5 key takeaways with timestamps." You get a clean summary with clickable citations in under a minute. A 45-minute video becomes a 90-second read. That's your first payoff done. Now with the citations. Every sentence NotebookLM writes has a little number. Click it, and it jumps to the exact line in your source. This is why it doesn't hallucinate. It's locked to your documents only. Ask it something not in your sources, and it tells you it doesn't know. For research and legal work, that's everything. Here's where it gets weird. Load multiple sources at once, say 10 articles on the same topic, and ask, where do these sources disagree? It cross-references all of them and gives you the contradictions cited. That's a genuine research analyst move in one prompt. Next, the studio panel on the right. Click Study Guide, and it generates quiz questions, key terms, and short answer prompts from your material. Students, this turns a textbook chapter into an exam prep sheet in seconds. Click Briefing Doc instead, and you get an executive summary you can hand to a client. But the audio overview is the one I run daily. Click Generate under Audio Overview, and NotebookLM creates a podcast. 2 AI hosts actually discussing your documents, with back and forth, examples, the whole thing. Upload a dense white paper you don't have time to read, generate the audio, and listen on your commute. And here's the new part. Click Customize before you generate. Type instructions like focus only on the pricing strategy or explain this to a complete beginner. It'll steer the whole conversation. You can even join the conversation live and interrupt the host with your own questions. Now stack these for a real workflow. Say you're a freelancer researching a new client's industry. Drop in their website, 3 competitor sites, and 2 market reports. Ask, what are the biggest gaps in this market? Cited answer. Then click Briefing Doc for your pitch summary. Then generate a customized audio overview focused on their pain points. You just build a client research package in 15 minutes that used to take a full afternoon. One more thing people miss. Notes. Every good answer, click Save to Note. Those notes become sources themselves. So you can ask NotebookLM questions about its own previous answers. You're building a compounding knowledge base that gets smarter every time you use it. And it's all free, with a plus tier if you need more notebooks and longer audio. Subscribe, because tomorrow I'm showing you the exact AI agent setup that runs research like this on autopilot while you sleep. Your one next step? Open NotebookLM right now and drop in one YouTube link. That's it.